Hey guys, Max here from Comox Valley Dodge, and today on this beautiful sunny day, I'm going to teach you how to take the soft top off your brand new Jeep Gladiator. First off, we're going to start from inside the vehicle. Step one is you are going to move down the sun visors and unlatch these two latches hidden underneath the sun visors. Once you got your latches on the inside done, it's going to be as simple as pushing it up and all the way back. It is easier if you got two people, but can be done by yourself, as you just saw. And always make sure you've got your handy dandy Velcro straps with you, because that's going to be used to hold this down for your daily driving. You're going to have one strap for each side. Basically your strap's going to go underneath here, around, hook it behind there, pull her tight, Velcro her down. Other side, same as the one before. Thanks for watching. That's how easy it is to undo your soft top. We'll see you next time.